Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute someone on Instagram messages, posts, or calls. We start by entering the profile that we want to mute. After that, we are going to click on the top icon of the bell. Here you can deactivate the options for which you do not want to receive notifications from that user, such as stories. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.